Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to save TikTok videos without the save option on TikTok. Alright guys, this is very simple. Okay, so if you're unable to see the save option and you want to save any video, then this video is for you. So what you have to do is this: quickly open your TikTok app, head to your profile if you want to use your TikTok videos to do that, or you can choose a video from the home page, click on the share icon at the right hand side of your screen. Then you're going to find the copy link option right here. Click on that. Now once this link is copied, all I have to do right now is to head to any of my favorite browser. We're going to use a browser to do that. So for example, I'm going to head to Chrome browser. So where's my Chrome browser right now? All right, so here's it. So I'm going to click on my Chrome browser and search for TickMate. All right, TickMate. So this website allows you to save videos by just pasting the link, and then you can find the download button, and then you can download and have it on your phone. So I'm going to click on these, and then as you can see the box right here for you to paste the link. I'm going to paste that link we copied right here inside this box, and then I'm going to hit the download icon at the right hand side of this box, and then to start processing for downloading. Right, so if you scroll down, you will find these options, these download options right here. So I'm going to click on the second one, which is the full HD option, and then this video will start downloading. Let me take you to my downloads on Chrome and show you. All right, it's still downloading this, as you can see right here. So as you can see, it has saved this video for me in my phone gallery. So guys, this is how you can save videos on TikTok without the save option. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.